I've been wanting to make this top for quite a while, and I've been looking for the perfect fabric for quite a while because the pattern is a little bit unique, both the colors and the print, and this is what I got. So I'm gonna make the Dolores set. I haven't watched the movie or anything, but I think the set is really cute. And I would really like to sell these on my shop, but I don't know if I can. Just because, first of all, this fabric is pretty expensive because it's embroidered all over. It's not just printed on. Also, it is a two-piece set, so it's gonna be pretty expensive, like at least $100. But I am at least gonna make one just for me. Here are also the other fabrics that I'm gonna work with. I kind of wanted a thin white, so I got this one. It might be a little bit too thin, but it's super cute, and I'm gonna use this lace. And I did a little sketch of how I want to design it in here because I don't want to make it like the original. I'm just gonna take inspiration. Here you can probably see it looks a little bit different. Well, let's get to sewing. I'm gonna show you my little mock-up piece. This is like the shape I want to do, and I'm going to do elastic here. I think at least for me, I'm not going to do any buttons on the back just because I could get in it. So hopefully nothing goes wrong and I can do that.
So long silent movies, the quiet dances on the screen.
I'm still pretty new to sewing non-stretchy clothes, so I'm a bit scared, but I'm gonna start off with doing the side seam. I just cut out all of the white lace and I'm hoping everything goes okay because I haven't tried this before. Here is my progress. I just did these two as well. Overlocked and then top stitched. These are going to be the sleeves, I guess you can call them, or the straps. I feel like I'm switching the thread color all the time because I don't know really what order I should be sewing in. But right now I'm adding this bias tape. It's gonna be folded in like this so you're not gonna be able to see it. Here's what it turned out like. It's kind of hard to see on the black, but yeah. I changed the thread color once again, and now I'm gonna do this little channel for the elastic. Hopefully I can finish the top today and then the skirt tomorrow.
And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low. Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home.
I only have 45 minutes left to sew, so I don't know if I'm gonna finish this, but I am actually really close. I think I got this thing here, this lace, and I'm now gonna sew right here.
Waking early, staying late.
It's almost done. I actually think I'm gonna be able to finish it today. I just need to sew here and put in elastic and sew these on the back. And I tried it on and it looks super cute. It's been like a week or something since I last filmed, but today we're finally finishing the skirt for this top. And I don't think it'll take long at all. So these are the items that we will need: lining, fashion fabric, lace, and elastic. Let's start to cut out the lining and the fashion fabric. I was debating on if I should do this skirt like 2 layers instead of just one, because with this kind of cotton fabric, I feel like it might look a little bit weird if there's not more than 1 layer. But I'm going to try first to see how it looks. Otherwise we can just cut off the like half of it and then add another layer. Here's what it looks like right now. I definitely need to do another layer. It looks honestly really ugly, so I'm gonna cut off like 2/3 and I could use that for the second layer. I almost ruined this skirt because I like sewed here on my serger, but it didn't cut the fabric right there, so I'm so lucky. But now I'm going to see how long it is. Okay, it is pretty short. It's like, oh wait, 35? 35, and then we're gonna add the lace, so it's probably gonna be around 37 centimeters.